slide in farther. Okay, that's it.
I make cute babies.
Alright, now let's talk about how can you turn this idea into a side hustle and you can make some money right from your home. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Assalamu alaikum, greetings, Ali Sharma here. Welcome to more tech and gadgets review. And today in this video I'm going to review the HTVRont Heat Press machine. Now you might ask, what is HTVRont and what is a heat press machine? Well, in this video I'm going to explain it all, so stay with me. Because once you get the hang of the idea that I'm going to show you in this video, you're going to simply love it. But not just that, you might be able to start your own small home business. So let's get to work and let me take you to Alishan Mao's small apartment catwalk.
Aim in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane. Making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a fucking name, I just wanna be famous. But I don't want that cheap fame, no I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna be greatness.
Alright, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed my little catwalk, and I know you do have a question in your mind. How do you make these kind of shirts? How did I make these kind of shirts? And that is the topic of this video, the review of the HTVRont Heat Press machine, because that's what I use to make these shirts and the heat press vinyls from HTVRont. So first let me bring the camera closer and show you the machine, and after that how it works and how did I do this. And we'll talk about more how to get vinyl, how to get the vinyl cut, get your custom shirts made at home. And then don't go anywhere, because we'll talk about how can you turn this little idea into a side hustle that can make you some money right from your house.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough Cause time. I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight.
Okay, so machine is ready, our stuff is ready. 320 degrees Fahrenheit, I'm just gonna put it on this, press the timer button, push it down to 10, in between 10-15 pounds of pressure. I might have to do it twice because the babies are slightly farther. Okay, that's that. And now we just have to wait until it cools down, and then I will remove this, my darling's shirt, and she wants something like you know, our electric paramotor stuff on it. And here we are with the Life is Short, Fly More electric paramotors. I think it should be down, slightly down. How big is the shirt? Not too big, so I'm just gonna keep it right here. I'm gonna put the Teflon sheet on it. 10 to 15 seconds, 10 pounds. 320 degrees. Done. And remove the machine, remove the Teflon sheet, and wait for the shirt to cool down so that I can remove it. So here's the new shirt. And it's time to make something funny. All right, so I'm just gonna put it down here. Oh, it will be, where's a smiley? Okay, here's a smiley at this side and smiley here. All right, and I'm gonna put daddy here. Stay with me, it's gonna be fun. And we're gonna put our dollar signs. I want this to stay right under the daddy, just like this. And now you can guess what's the word that's gonna go in the middle. So I'm just gonna put Teflon sheet, and now I have to move, do it twice I believe, because I have to move the machine around. Let's just say first do the smiley and the stuff, and then we will do, and I'm just gonna put 10 pounds or something on top there as well, and done. Here we are, and it should be really nice once it cools down and I take it off.
I make cute babies. It's nice. Slowly. Don't be in a hurry. The babies are gonna come out. Babies are gonna come out. Come on. Nice and slow. One baby's out. And here's the second baby. All right.
Now normally I found that it's also a good practice that, you know, if it is cooled down all the time, all the way, you can always do a bit more. Like you can put, if you feel that somewhere, actually right after the first try, all the vinyls are nice and sticky and nothing is wrong. But if you feel, you can always do, to be safe, double time. That's what I call double time. So still keep on 320 and just do it 5 more seconds and it will be really nice and permanent. There you go. That's a shirt. I make cute babies. Looks nice. Let's take off the other one. Shirt that I wanted to do, and let's just peel off these things nice and slowly. It seems like the vinyl, even on these very thin smiley, are actually staying very well. But overall, look at that. This is actually very good result. This is the HTVRont Heat Press machine. Really very simple to use. Let me just plug it so I can turn it on and show you how it works. It comes with this little brochure, user manual that you can read, and it shows you very clearly how to start working with this. And of course, you can get a whole lot of vinyls from HTVRont as well. Now, Heat Press has an on-off button, and after that you just need to set the temperature using the plus minus buttons, and after you set the temperature, press it again, and your machine will start heating up. Okay, then you also have a timer, so you can set the timer 15 seconds, 10 seconds, or as long as you want to press on. So once it has reached to that temperature, set temperature, the machine will beep. On the bottom you have to be very, very careful, because this can get very, very hot, and can burn your skin and your hands as well. So in case someday you don't have gas at your home, you can use this to cook some eggs or cook your food as well. You also have this HTVRont base on which you can put your machine nicely, and nothing will burn. It will be safe there, even if it is on full temperature. Now that you can see the machine is ready, it gave me the beep that the temperature that I set has reached. All I need to do is put the shirt down, put the vinyl on it, put the Teflon sheet on it, and then put machine on top of it. Press this button and then press down. I can see here how many pounds of your pressure I'm putting on it. So basically, according to the required pressure, I can put that much and easily read how much pressure is needed. And after that, once I have the beep, that's done, I can put the machine back onto this cover, this base, and start doing other shirts. So basically, with such a little time, you can do one shirt. You can actually produce a whole lot of shirts during one day time. All right, now let's talk about how can you turn this idea into a side hustle and you can make some money right from your home. So first thing, you need to get vinyls. Well, HTVRont has a lot of vinyls to offer, and you can always get all kind of vinyls that you require. Number two, you need a vinyl cutter, so you can do your custom designs and just put it in the vinyl cutter and cut the vinyl right away. After that, using the heat press, it just takes 10-15 seconds to put the vinyl right there on your shirt. Now, what if you don't have a vinyl cutter? Well, if you don't have a vinyl cutter, HTVRont also offers you the service to cut your custom design vinyls for you. So you can just send the designs to them and tell them what colors do you want, and they will cut the vinyls for you, send it over to you, and you can easily use the heat press machine and get your shirts ready. But the good news is, when I spoke to HTVRont about vinyl cutters, they said, hey, hold on, they are going to release their own vinyl cutter very, very soon. After that, well, you will have a heat press and the vinyl cutter, both from HTVRont. All you need to do is buy the required vinyl, do your designs as you like, put them, cut them, and heat press them on your shirts and get the shirts ready. I believe this is as simple as it is very, very easy to learn, especially if you have your vinyl cutter, your vinyl heat press machine right here at home. It all comes down to how creative you are. You can create unique designs, very, very creative designs. You can always watch the trends on internet, because in summer or winter, everybody wears t-shirts. Even in winter, sometimes under all those jackets, I do wear a t-shirt. So t-shirts are a kind of thing that are going to sell all seasons. And if you can make unique, creative design t-shirts, you might be able to capture a good portion of market for yourself wherever you are. So this is one idea that can turn into a side hustle, and you can start making some money right from your home. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and check out the description for the links to HTVRont's website for heat press machine and much more there for you to study, and you can take an informed decision after that. Hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon, turn on all the notifications and stay updated for all the upcoming uploads. Of course, I know you have been waiting for the reviews of these two little helicopters, and I'm gonna fly them like I stole them.
You can see the writing on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?